Today I am reviewing Ecovacs DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a true next-generation cleaning companion, the Ecovacs DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni is easily one of the most advanced robot vacuums of 2025. This isn't just a vacuum or a mop. It's an intelligent, self-sufficient cleaning system designed to give you spotless floors with absolutely no effort. From its 16,600 PA blast suction to the OZMO Roller instant self-washing mopping system, this machine is a complete game-changer in home cleaning automation. The first thing that sets the DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni apart is its ultimate hands-free experience. Once you set it up, it literally takes care of everything for you. You don't have to vacuum, mop, wash the mop, or even empty the dustbin for months at a time. The Omni Station handles it all. It auto-refills water, washes and dries the mop pads with hot water, and even dispenses cleaning solution as needed. You can go up to 150 days without touching the robot, and it will continue keeping your home spotless. Now let's talk about cleaning performance, because this is where the X9 Pro truly dominates. It features 16,600 PA of blast airflow suction power, which is nearly double the power of most high-end robotic vacuums in the market. This means it doesn't just pick up surface dust, it pulls out embedded dirt, debris, and pet hair from deep within carpets and hard floors. Paired with its unique blast airflow technology, it increases suction efficiency by over 130% compared to traditional vacuums. For mopping, Ecovacs has introduced the revolutionary OZMO Roller instant self-washing system. Unlike older mopping robots that rinse their mop pads every 10 or 20 minutes, the X9 Pro washes the mop in real time as it cleans. That means every inch of your floor gets mopped with a clean, fresh roller. No dirty water, no streaks, and no odor buildup. It's like having a professional cleaning service working quietly in the background every day. Pet owners will absolutely love the ZeroTangle 3 system. The main roller brush and side brushes are designed in a special V-shape, preventing hair from wrapping or clogging the bristles. If you've ever had to untangle pet hair from your vacuum manually, you know how much of a blessing this is. This system keeps the cleaning uninterrupted and consistent, ideal for homes with dogs or cats. Another standout innovation is the triple lift system. This intelligent design allows the X9 Pro to adapt instantly to different surfaces. When it detects a carpet, the mop automatically lifts to prevent wetting it. When moving back to hard floors, it lowers again for effective mopping. The side brush and main brush also adjust their height based on the floor type, ensuring optimal performance on both tiles and rugs. You'll never have to worry about the robot getting confused or stuck while transitioning between surfaces. For those tricky corners and baseboards, the X9 Pro Omni offers true edge-to-edge cleaning. Its extended OZMO roller and precision side brush reach into narrow gaps and corners that most robots miss. This guarantees a complete wall-to-wall clean every time. Navigation and mapping are handled by Ecovacs' latest AIVI 3D3 plus LiDAR technology. This system not only scans your home to create detailed 3D maps, but also recognizes real-world objects, like cables, slippers, toys, or pet bowls, and avoids them intelligently. The robot doesn't bump around randomly. It moves with precision, planning the most efficient route for every cleaning session. You can control everything from the Ecovacs app, or even better, through voice commands. Thanks to Alexa, Google Assistant, and the YIKOGPT AI voice control, you can simply say things like, "Clean the living room," or "Mop under the dining table," and the X9 Pro will immediately get to work. You can schedule cleaning sessions, adjust suction levels, or even monitor cleaning progress in real time, all from your phone or voice assistant. Battery life is another strong point. The lithium-ion battery lasts up to 200 minutes on a single charge, enough to clean large homes or multiple rooms in one go. Once the battery gets low, the robot automatically returns to its Omni Station, recharges, and resumes cleaning right where it left off. Even the design deserves praise. The sleek black finish and premium build quality make it look elegant in any home environment. It doesn't just clean efficiently, it also blends in beautifully with modern interiors. In short, the Ecovacs DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni is a true powerhouse of automation. It combines ultra-high suction, real-time mop self-cleaning, AI navigation, and ZeroTangle technology into one complete system. If you're tired of traditional vacuums or even average robot cleaners, this model will redefine your expectations. It's powerful, intelligent, and fully hands-free, exactly what a premium cleaning robot should be in 2025. Whether you live in a pet-friendly home, a busy household, or simply want spotless floors without lifting a finger, the Ecovacs DEEBOT X9 Pro Omni delivers on every promise. It's not just a smart vacuum, it's a total home cleaning solution that brings convenience, power, and precision together in one brilliant package. If you're ready to upgrade your home cleaning experience, this is absolutely one of the best robot vacuums you can buy right now.